Tumingin ka sa akin. Rick, where are you going? Nathan, hello. Gusto nalilito. I'm back, hello. Superman, hello. I'm back, what are you doing? Powell, hello. Jobs, hello. Hashim, hi. Samoy, what are you doing, Samoy? Ra, hello. Kasalanan ba ako sa'yo? Tumingin ka sa akin. Huwag mo ko hanapin. Nalilito. Hi, Crusander. Unsa mo, hello. SL. Lobloco, hello. JD, hi. Yuri, good morning. ID number, hello. Hi, Modi. How are you? ID number. Ali, hello. Mark, hello. John V, hello. How are you, John V? Good morning. In the middle of the night. Imagine Hans. How are you, Hans? Good morning. Sam said hello. Kyrul, hello. Roms, hello. Hi, Lily. Jack, hello. AK, may kiss ni ka pang isa. AG, hello. Paco. Hi, Rex. Good morning. HK and hello. Tamta, hello. Vlad, hello. Wanderson, good morning. Hi, Bean. Hi, Sin. Good morning. Ronnie, thank you. How are you, Ronnie? Thank you, Ronnie. Ronnie, you have WhatsApp. Send your WhatsApp to me, Ronnie. I will message you there. Rara, good morning. The longest. Sin, good morning. Do you have Ronnie? You sent it to me. Rambo, good morning. Ronnie, send your WhatsApp to me. John, hello. How are you, John? Guys, tap this what? Ronnie, you tap this what if? John, what are you doing? Good morning. Rara, kamusta Rara? Good morning. Henry, hello. Wait lang. Leo, hello. CJ, hello. No, thank you so much. Hi, DJ. Gogi. Ba't ayaw? Saan ba makikita yung receipt? Edward. Mr. Hello. I'm Miracle. Hello. Katel. Thank you, Katel. Thank you so much. Samurai, hello. How are you, Miracle? Kamusta? 8-8. Di sasayangin ang oras at live sabihin ko. Diba? Hirap kaya mag-live. Greymon. Oh. OMG ka, Eric. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. Malapit na ako mag 4-star, guys. Ayan na. Ex-boyfriend, hello. Hi, Rod. Good afternoon. Thank you, Eric. Hi, Dean. Good afternoon, guys. Raymond, hello. Nag-work ako now sa SG Tourism but now nag-ship ako ng hotel management sa online. Bakit? Ba't ka nag-shift? Maganda kaya tourism. Welcome. Thank you. Alam mo, kaya nag-tourism ako, guys. I want to be a flight attendant soon. That's why. But now, my English is very zigzag. I don't know. I want to fluent in English. But it's hard. Turuan niyo ako, guys. I just want promise. It's hard. You know, so many, ano height mo? 5'6". 5'6", 5'7", ganun. Amora, hello. Matangkad ako. Matangkad para sa babae, pero sa lalaki, maybe not. Right? Diba? Pang ano yung ano ko, flight attendant na, oo. Kaya ano, kaya nag-tourism ako kasi para sa flight attendant. Gusto kong maging flight attendant soon. Then, I want to explore around the world. Like, parang ano, parang Ngayon habang bata ako, like 'di ba nagtatrabaho ako dito, gusto kong makapunta ng ano, ibang bansa gano'n, like mag-travel lang. But I don't have kasama. It's hard 'no, hirap maghanap ng kasama mo. Mga barkada ko kasi nag-aaral pa. Nag-Bigo sila, pinasok ko sa Bigo, wala silang tiyaga. Iniwan din. Ako na lang yung natira. Eh, ang hirap kasi dito eh. Mahirap maghanap ng taong magsusuporta, ganun. Pero pag nagtiyaga ka, like, araw-araw nagla-live ka, then yung oras mo laging nandito, talagang kukota ka. Pero kapag wala kang tiyaga dito, hindi ka kukota, promise. Tapos marami din ano dito, mga siraulo, ganun. Dapat handa kang enjoy your life hangga't bata ka pa. Oo nga eh. Kaya nga, ngayong 20 pa lang ako. Kel, ngayong 20 pa lang ako. Gusto kong pumunta ng ano. Like, hindi pa ako pumunta ng ibang bansa eh. Pero gusto kong makapunta ng first country ko, Hong Kong talaga. It's my first. I want to heal my inner child. You know, Asia pa lang di ko na talaga, but Europe man. Europe? You know, Europe, maganda sa Europe, promise. Lahat ng parte ng ano, ng Europe, maganda. Yan yung ano ko eh, yan yung pinakagusto kong puntahan. Lalo na sa Italy. Sa Switzerland, grabe, ang ganda. Ano ka na lang eh, mapapamanifest. Manifest. Germany, the best country. No, for me, the best country is Japan. But I want to, Europe it's the best too. But the Japan, I want to go there. Norway maganda sana. Sana soon. Pag-pray niyo ako. Sana maging successful ako sa life. Maging successful tayo sa life. Canada is best. Ibang bansa, the best talaga sa ibang bansa. But I want to heal my inner child in Hong Kong, you know. Can someone really sponsor my ticket, please? Joke. Alcos, ikaw pala. May-ari ng... No! I don't do that. After you send, I will can. Hi, Z! I will end. Then I will do. Toby, hello. Why I block you? What reason? For 1K only? No. Yes. Hi, Toby. Yes, dogs. Why? Do you have a problem? Bojan. Never know how. Broke me down, no, yeah. You9, hello. Blue Star, hello. How are you, Blue Star? Sohag, hello. Hi, Silent. Only you, hello. Hi, Rian. Silent, hello. How are you? How are you, Silent? I'm good when I say you. Really? The Blanc, hello. Ellie William, hello. Guys, you tap this what? Do you have WhatsApp, Silent? Hi, Suwan. Later. Blue Star, what are you doing? Yuli, hello. Hi, Doddy. MD, hi. Yeah, you can send it to me. Don't get. Okay. Okay, okay, dokie. The Blanc Red, what are you doing now? Okay. Love you, hi. Hi, Raymond. Yeah, hello. Now, you don't have to reach my 4 star. You have now. Hi, Darby. You have 300 for now. The blank. Ikan, hello. Friends, hello. ID number, hello. Gusti, hi. The Dragon Palace. Dog Pat, hello. Followed me back one. Taju, hello. How are you, Taju? You followed me back one. Hi, Julio. Good morning. It's morning here. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Do you know Philippines? Gray, hello. Good morning. Big Mikey, hello. Good morning. How are you? Texas, hello. Incubus, hello. Oh, Philippines. What about you? Thank you, Jay. Ray, hello. What about you? Where are you from? Rob Max, hello. Oh. Can you follow me ba? Reza, what are you doing? Beamer, hello. Hi, John. Do you have the WhatsApp one? Atlantis, hello. Taju, do you have the WhatsApp, Taju? Good morning, what for? I will message you there. Oh, what you have? The, ano, Telegram. Zul, hello. Incubus, ha. Do you have Telegram? Send it to me your username. I have something to tell you. Or exciting. Bojan, hello. Kim, anong oras na dyan? Hi, Dewa. Istoy, hello. Okay, up to you, one. Hi, Peter. That's why. Because I want to, oh, Marco. Hi, James. Kumain ka na ba, Jay? Ellie, hello. Ogbona, hello. Nameless, hi. Ongze, hello. Chong, di ka na bumalik kagabi. Ay, nag-ano ko pala sa akin, no? Di kasi ako nagtitingin eh. I'm so sorry. Kamusta, Chong? Eh, lasing ka kayo. Siyempre, di naman ako nagtitingin. Di ako nagtitingin ng message. Bert, hello. Ikaw, sabi mo. Hi, Buff. Reza, you still there? Kumain ka na, JK. Oo, sinabi mo sa akin eh. Sabi mo, nilasing lang ako. Huwag mo akong reply. Hi, Flip. Oo nga. Hi, Juice. Introducing, hi. J. Kim, kumain ka na? Wala kang work ngayon. Feel ko day off mo ngayon kaya nagpakasaya ka. Di pa. Captain, hello. No, Chong. Day off mo siguro ngayon. 5, hello. Hi, Dek. Oo. J. Kim, nakita mo message ko. Raz, hello. Kasi di ka naman magpupuyat kung ano. Hindi mo day off. Asan mo ito? Malik Nor, hello. Habibi, hi. Hi, Ansi. Rez, hello. Waj, asan na yung isa pa? Tap mo yung what if. Yazi, hello. Chaz, hello. Money, hello. Mark, how are you, Mark? How are you, Mark? Strong, hello. Hi, Richard Chan. Mark, where are you from? Malik Noor, thank you. Malik Noor, you tap this again, no? So, my first box will be, Malaysia. Do you have the WhatsApp, Mark? You send your WhatsApp to me. Lucas, hello. Fazli, Malaysia. You send your WhatsApp to me, Mark. I will message you. Jonas. MK, hello. Hyper. Mark, you send it now. Then I will message you. MK, how are you doing? Hi, Jim. Thank you, Mark. Mark, you send it now. Then I will add you. Hi. Ano to? Thank you, Malik Noor. Malik Noor, you tap this what if again. BS, hello. Lucas, what are you doing? Hi, Zin. MK, do you have the WhatsApp, MK? You send your WhatsApp to me. You send your WhatsApp to me. Thank you, Malik Noor. Paz, hello. Meme ko, hello. Good to see you. Thank you. Paz, how are you? Are you feeling good today, Paz? Good afternoon. And as well, Hey, man. Choti, hello. Tony, hi. Mark, you send it now, then I will add you. Menasi. MN, hello. Cecil, hello. Boss, hello. MK, send your WhatsApp to me. I will add you. ID number. Hi, Z. Z, Z, Z. Really. PM, hello. Maliknor, Gra, hello. Gra, I am waiting you, Gra. Are you ready now? Hi, Ikmal. Yeah, sorry. Why, Gra? I am ready now. Do you have now to reach my first box? Hi, B3. How are you, B3? Sawi. Car, hello. ID number, hello. Gra, you help me to reach my first box. Hi, Kasi. Marco, hello. And hello. Sige lang, fuckboy, thank you. Ingat ka. Hi, Dot. Was, hello. Kuma, hello. The Viet, hello. Hi, Jepa. Dot, how are you? Edo, good morning. Hi, Skin. Secret. U9, hello, good morning. You don't want to send Dizzy. Good morning, U9. Hi, Roller, good morning. Green Snake, hello. Chi, hello. Eggsy, hi, good morning. Hi, Roller, do you have the WhatsApp? Hi, U9, good morning. Eggsy, where are you from? Mysterious Man. Katsu, hello. I'm from Yun. Where's that? U9, do you have the WhatsApp? Ah, London. What time is it there? Hi. What time is it there now, Eggsy? I'm from Philippines. Do you have U9? Or you don't have? ID number, hello. Oh, followed me back. Do you have the WhatsApp? Michael, hello. Text now, good morning. How are you text now? Chestnut, hello. Good morning. Hi, Jose. Meow meow, good morning. Jose, how are you? Lizzie, what are you doing? Hi, Noel. Francis, where are you from? I don't know. Hi, Corky. Sleep. You don't have a sleep? You don't have a sleep yet? Yeah. Really? Why? Hi, Edgar. Milk, hello. Good morning. Hi, Ali. Mike, or you, hello. You don't want to send? I will message you. Hi, Bambo. Octavio, hello. Hi, Te. Stitch, hello. Hi, Ninong. Kap, hello. Will, hello. How are you, Will? Good morning. Hi, Budi. Sip, sip, hello. Hi, Bren. Eduardo, hello. Why? I did not do anything. Hi, Bren. Hi. Joss, hello. JR, how are you? Good morning. Amid, hello. Hi, Fernando. Gambul, hello. Marshall, hello. Mr. Iman, hello. LKK, hi. Good morning. Kai, hello. ID number, hello. Cry, hello. Air guy, hello. Osprey, hello. Hi, Dan, hello. Dongwan, good morning. Jason, good morning. Matt, good morning. Sujan, good morning. Jardim, hello. RS, hello. Hi, Kai, good morning. Sanit, hello. Rai, hello. Ocean, good morning. Alas, good morning. Jake, good morning. Ocean, how are you doing? Kam, hello. Laika, hello. Arjunas, hello. Van, hello. Good morning. Assurance, hello. Hi, Teko. Anonymous, good morning. Ernest, good morning. Hi, how are you, Glenn? Glenn Washington, good morning. How are you? Hi, Gary. Hi, Glenn. How are you doing? Meow, hello. ID number, hi. ABG, hello. How are you, Glenn? Oh, followed me back. You followed me back, Glenn. Hi, ABG. Do you have the WhatsApp, Glenn? WhatsApp number. Omar, hello. Do you have? Yeah, do you have the WhatsApp? ID number, hello. Sonia, hello. Mr. A, hi. Glenn, you send your WhatsApp to me. Do you have Aztec? Hello. Hi, Jonel. Good morning. Doomday, hello. Sir June, hello. Good morning, Sir June. Do you have Glenn Washington? Doomday, how are you doing? Are you feeling good today, Doom? Good morning. Prakash, hello. Guys, you send your WhatsApp to me. Yeah. Do you have WhatsApp, Doom? Gab, hello. Thomas Ong, hello. Chase, good morning. Hi, Chase. How are you doing? Pero, hello. Chong, good morning. Doomday, you send your WhatsApp to me. My message, it's not possible. Good morning. Billy, hello. Hi, King Kong. Kino, hello. Wait. Doomday, you send your WhatsApp. Hi, Rico. Golf, hello. ID number, hi. Hi, Popki. How are you, Popki? Ben, hello. Good morning, guys. Farmboy, hello. Papi Chulo, hi. Rana, good morning. Daddy JM, good morning. ID number, hello. Hi, French. Tofu, hello. Per, hello. Per Dagang, how are you? Amid, hello. Hi, Fernando. Gamble, hello. Marshall, hello. Mr. Riman, hello. LKK, hi. Good morning. Kai, hello. ID number, hello. Cry, hello. Air guy, hello. Osprey, hello. Hi, Dan, hello. Dongwan, good morning. Jason, good morning. Matt, good morning. Sujan, good morning. Jardim, hello. RS, hello. Hi, Kai, good morning. Sanit, hello. Rai, hello. Ocean, good morning. Alas, good morning. Jake, good morning. Ocean, how are you doing? Calm, hello. Laika, hello. Arjunas, hello. Van, hello. Good morning. Assurance, hello. Hi, Teko. Anonymous, good morning. Ernest, good morning. Hi, how are you, Glenn? Glenn Washington, good morning. How are you? Hi, Gary. Hi, Glenn. How are you doing? Meow, hello. ID number, hi. ABG, hello. How are you, Glenn? Oh, followed me back. You followed me back, Glenn. Hi, ABG. Do you have the WhatsApp, Glenn? WhatsApp number. Omar, hello. Do you have? Yeah, do you have the WhatsApp? ID number, hello. Sonia, hello. Mr. A, hi. Glenn, you send your WhatsApp to me. Do you have? Aztec, hello. Hi, Jonel. Good morning. Doomday, hello. Sir June, hello. Good morning, Sir June. Do you have Glenn Washington? Doomday, how are you doing? Are you feeling good today, Doom? Good morning. Prakash, hello. Guys, you send your WhatsApp to me. Yeah. Do you have WhatsApp, Doom? Gab, hello. Thomas Ong, hello. Chase, good morning. Hi, Chase. How are you doing? Pero, hello. Chong, good morning. Doomday, you send your WhatsApp to me. My message, it's not possible. Good morning. Billy, hello. Hi, King Kong. Kino, hello. Wait. Doomday, you send your WhatsApp. Hi, Rico. Golf, hello. ID number, hi. Hi, Popki. How are you, Popki? Ben, hello. Good morning, guys. Farm boy, hello. Papi Chulo, hi. Iwan ka, Payas. Bonito. Diyan mo na ako makarinig. Metong mo. Para 2 star na. Pa 4 star. Kenji. Bye, Payas. Take care. Kyle, good morning. Metong Dragon Palace. Para ditaknain ko ng I3J. Hello. How are you, I3J? Good morning. ID number, hello. Kyle, what are you doing? Hi, Gigi. Leron, hello. Hi, Kyle. Where are you from? Where are you from, Kyle? Good morning. Hi, Mister. Good morning. AS, good morning. Which one? The Dragon Palace. Hindi sa ako. The Dragon Palace. KK, hello. Ini ah. Awa. Rocky, hello. Akashi. Hi, Chel. How are you, Jay Chel? Hong Hong, hello. Good morning. JC, hello. ID number, hello. Hi, Mike. How are you? Second player, good morning. How are you, second player? Are you feeling good today, second player? Dakari, hi, second. How are you, second? Bonito. At asan na? Send mo na. I'm fine. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. What about you? Black Rider. Oh, what time is it there? It's same time. Alan, hello. Moon, hello. Hi, Rigor. Itachi, hello. Send mo na. Namin. Xiao, hello. Hi, Harold. Thank you, Bonito. Dong, hello. Girl, hello. Alang mga yung Malvin. Eka Paul, hello. Thank you so much. Zonda, good morning. How are you, Zonda? Thank you, Bonito. Hanami, hello. Clay, hello. Thank you so much. Thank you. Captured, good morning. Hi, Kay. K77, hello. Thank you so much.